If you need to change the engine air filter on a Toyota Corolla E210 like that one with the 1.8 litre hybrid engine, then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and that is a 2024 Toyota Corolla E210 hybrid with a 1.8 litre hybrid engine. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter, which is really easy and there's actually no tools needed. First thing we're going to do is open up our bonnet. For those of you that don't know how to do that, it's just found on the driver's side down in the footwell. Then we come back round to the front of the car, put our hand in just there and lift up the bonnet, and then we can go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With that safe and secure, we can just take a look inside the engine bay, and it's pretty simple in here, although it does look complicated. You've got your hybrid motor this side, this is your battery, fuse box, main engine block, these are your coil packs, and then we've got our fluid refill points. And this box right in the middle here is actually our engine air filter box. It's just got two clips on it, one there and one there. Just flip them around and that'll allow you to actually open up the box like that. So you've just got these two prongs on the back there that pop in there. We can take off our engine air filter. You can go ahead and clean this or replace it. And then when you're ready to replace the filter with new or your cleaned one, just going to lift that back off, put the new filter back in with the fins facing down and the rubber gasket facing up. Slide those two back locating pins in, and then pull both the tabs all the way around like that. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace the engine air filter on a Toyota Corolla with the 1.8 litre hybrid engine. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.